So I'm making this video because I'm needing another screen recording device, but I chose the OBS 29. Well, it's just OBS Studio is what I'm using. It's free. It's a very good software, um, but it's not real intuitive unless you've worked with a lot of video editing and stuff or anything like that. There is a lot of videos on YouTube on setting yourself up and things like that. I just found it hard to find a video that said this is what you do so that when you press start recording, you're automatically seeing this screen and not this. And so you don't have to go in and edit the beginning and the end of your video in order to get rid of the OBS stuff that we're seeing over here. Now, when you bring it up from your left, you're going to create a scene by clicking plus, and then over here you're going to click plus. What you need is your mic and screen. So if I wanted to do another screen, I would do a window capture. And that's what this is here. I just called it a screen. But I add that and this. And before I hit the start record, I make sure that whichever item I want to start recording on is selected in that window. Now, I don't mean to confuse you by this saying screen. It's actually the window capture is what we need. Again, I only put this display capture in here so that you can see what I'm looking at here. And when you press start recording, this is the first thing that comes up. And then you need to switch over to be able to see whatever you're doing. After that, you've got to come back, modify the video, edit it, cut out the beginning, cut out the end so that you're only seeing exactly what you want. So not having the display capture is going to help you with that. Just the screen and the mic. And I can click on the display here and delete this and click confirm. And now I can see what's on the screen here. And I can go through and do this, and once I'm done, I can go to the taskbar, back down to my OBD, and because my window is focused on the YouTube, you're not seeing what I'm seeing right now, which is bringing up the OBD and pressing the stop recording. So hopefully this helps somebody out there that's just looking for a simple way to record a tutorial or anything like that without having to be editing start and stop points. Thanks for watching.